Which side? Over there or here?
Hey, over there?
Why don't you here, look at it, Dan?
Here. Just a was
Trees a little bit, but I almost
pretty good.
come this way.
Hey, Dan, that's a pretty good size rock in the center over there.
Be in the tree a
The
little.
only choice you guys to come up, yeah, with that.
Or you
and
could go angled this way.
right up through there and stair step it
Like
almost.
right here, angled.
Walk up there. Them flat, them slick
Hop
rocks.
over that one and high center on the side of it.
Yeah, on that side. There you go. Yeah.
I think right here.
Right there.
I mean, that's full list of them trees, eh?
Let's go for it.
This is your allowance.
You ready to record it?
He's go. Heck yeah.
Hey, it gets easier.
You, can't. You got to keep it. Look at the ranger. You can't look at him through these eyes. You got to look at here.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you saw that video
It's still
of...
recording,
Yeah, I
isn't
know it
it
is.
It's still recording.
I know
And your
it is.
face been at the ground, you goober.
I did.
Ryan made a bridge.
Yeah,
I cheated.
He's not there.
Yeah, I know. He's not over there.
Oh,
yet,
he was
though.
getting me on film saying I cheated. Good one. Don't put that one on YouTube.
Hey, she, I thought she. I think she is.
You better not be drinking whiskey!
Let me back the other way. He's gonna come around the corner.
There you go.
Gotta get that jump.
You can do it.
Break something. You'll make it.
Get it, you get it. Woohoo!
Here, spot you back here.
Yeah, see how far back I'm going.
Not very far.
I wouldn't go no further.
No further. You come back. A little bit more. The other side's good. Keep going. Just a little bit more. Whoa,
Right there.
Right there. And you're gonna go in this gully here. You see that a little bit, so you have to give it a little bit.